Attention, WhatsApp users. A cool new Add Your sticker is coming to status. Just like the one on Instagram stories. You can use this feature to ask fun questions or share challenges, and your friends can reply by posting their own status. To use this feature, go to the status section, tap on Add Status, select a photo or video, then tap the sticker icon at the top. You'll see the new Add Yours option, tap on it, and write a prompt that others can reply to, like this. I wrote a question, asking my friends if they want to travel again to a place we visited together. After typing your text, just tap Done. Then, move the sticker wherever you want and use two fingers to make it larger or smaller. You can also tag your friends so they can receive notifications about your status. Once you are done, hit the Send button to post it. Now, when your friends view your status, they will see the prompt you created. And by clicking the Add Yours button, their camera will open up so they can respond by taking a photo, recording a video, or typing a text message. Their reply will also include the same Add Yours sticker on their own status, allowing others to join in and continue the trend you have started. For example, I'm using a black image here because I'm choosing the text option to show you how it works. They can also tag you back, so you will get a notification about their reply to your status. And they can even tag their friends too, so more people can join in and keep the trend going. This feature not only makes WhatsApp status more engaging but also brings people together through shared prompts and replies. Whether you're starting a trend, asking a fun question, or encouraging your circle to participate in a challenge, the Add Your sticker gives you a new way to connect with others.